अच्छे हैं सर.
Yeah, Pratibha, are you there?
Yes.
Your voice
Yeah,
is so low.
can you leave for some time?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So may I know who are there? Is there Bharat is there? Bharat, are you there? Rajni Kumari is there.
Yes.
Hi Rajni, how are you?
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Rajni?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good too. Is Nithya, am I calling you correct?
Yeah.
Hi Nithya, how are you?
I'm good too, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. So like we have Bharat here. Hi Bharat.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? How's you doing?
I'm doing fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so we have Anurag, Suhana, Priyansh. Can we and who else is there? Okay, we have Venkatesh Krishna. Okay, so can let's interact with each other. Let's introduce with each other. Like, can we start with who wants to take who wants to be volunteer? Who wants to tell about Rajni? Can we
Yes,
start
ma'am.
with you?
This is just introduction session. What we're gonna do, you can just call your name, whatever it is your name, and what you are doing currently, if you are doing any job or whatever you are doing, and not detailed qualification, but at least
Just a
somehow
little introduction so we can know each
just
other.
background, just for knowing each other what we are doing. All right. So I can start from maybe Nirmal. Nirmal is the best person who can start with. Nirmal. Hindi, English, कोई भी language चलेगा. I guess everybody can understand.
Hello team, good evening to all of you. Myself Nirmal, I am right now associate software trainee at 𝐿𝐴𝐧𝐻 Technology Private Limited, which is a UK based company, and here I am working on technology like ASP.NET and SQL. Before I have means 1 year 5 months of experience in UI development as means front end development. Right now I am working with Rupesh. Oh, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nirmal. Okay, so Rajni, can we start with you? Just
Okay, ma'am.
we just want to know.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Rajni Kumari. I belong to Patna and I currently live in Noida. I did completed my BCA Patna at Patna, and I recently completed my MCA August 2023, and now I'm job seekers. Currently I am searching job. I'm fresher.
Okay. Thank you, Rajni. So can we have another Nithya? Can you tell us about yourself?
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
So I'm Nitya and I'm currently working here in UK in one of the company, and my interest is towards DevOps, and currently I'm working as a Jira Confluence developer. So looking forward to learn DevOps and to get into that stream as a career change. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Nithya. So we have Bharat. Bharat, can you tell us about yourself?
Oh, okay. Hi guys. Myself, Parth Sharma. I completed BTech Automobile Engineering from Hindustan University, and I have a passion for learning new technologies. So I learned those AWS and DevOps course from an institute called Greens Technology, Chennai. And I'm actually right now I'm working as a AWS Cloud intern at 513 Technologies, and looking for jobs in DevOps field. That's about myself.
Okay. Thank you, Bharat. So Priyansh is in office, so he can't introduce himself. So it's okay. Suhana, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Suhana, can you
Audible?
tell us about yourself a little bit?
Yeah, sure. So my name is, I have 3 year work experience as a service desk analyst with Wipro. And right now I'm in the Bangalore. I wanted to switch my career as a DevOps. So that's why I'm looking for a job and internship. Again, in sales.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Suhana. So Anurag, are you there?
Yeah, hi Pratibha. Hi.
Hi, Anurag. Can you tell us about
Yeah,
yourself?
my name is Anurag Tiwari. I am from Pune. I am currently joined to Clover Infotech as a .NET developer, and I am working with as a HDFC Bank client. And I am interested for the coding, but recently I have switched the DevOps. That's like for restart for the new career for the DevOps.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Anurag.
Thank you.
So who else is there?
Bharat.
Bharat. Bharat, he already is there being Venkatesh Krishna? Am I pronouncing correct?
Yeah, Venkatesh.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Venkatrakrishna. Present I am working in a UK-based company, 𝐿 Technologies, in learning and IT support and DevOps team as well. That's it. Thank you, Ananda.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you everybody for introducing yourself. Uh, Today, actually, we don't have that much things to cover. Just wanted to know each other so that everybody can know each and everybody that who are doing, what are they doing, where are they doing, I mean the job or work or whatever, or if they are fresher or not, whatever. So today, I will just start a little bit about DevOps. Who do know about DevOps and what stands for
Hello,
Dev
Rupesh.
and what stands for Ops? Yes.
Rupesh, your voice is I think very slow. Can you please speak again?
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was saying we will go through like a little bit that what it DevOps is. So how many people like you guys know what DevOps is? What Dev stand for and what Ops stand for? If you guys know what it is, you can raise your hand, and if you don't know, you can let us know. Awesome. Bharat knows about DevOps. So Dev stand for development and Ops stand for operation. What development means? Development something that a developer who is software engineer used to write about coding, the structure, the algorithm, everything, how software or the website or app should work. Okay, it comes under the development. Whatever a developer write the code. For example, Anurag is a one of the developer who write the code for one of the bank, right? So when he write the code, he deploy it to the server side. But before that, what to do? They have to make uh, coding, write everything, and it need to be pushed so that it can deployed. All right. But before that, what to do? So now here it comes like deployment. Deployment is the part like something you are putting, some repository you are putting over the system, over the server, so that it can run and everybody can watch it. All right. So it was just like little introduction about what is dev and what ops. You will learn these things later on, not now. So now, if you are coming into the DevOps, you should know there is 3 platforms right now. Which one is better and people are using for DevOps? Why they are using cloud? Why not on premises? Again, on premises is something that is expensive. Like somebody wants, for example, hospital need software or the app. They don't go to the cloud platform. They use their own server so that all the data and everything should be in privacy, because the hospital data and the government sector data is very what we can say sensitive data. So they put all the information in premises, right? Somebody who are using like Zomato app, Flipkart app, or Facebook app, something like that, those kind of data they use for cloud, right? So what are the clouds? You will know later on in details. Okay. So for now, there is 3 cloud platform. One is AWS, and second is GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and the third is Azure. Why Azure and why GCP and why AWS? Like if you do have any client asking to deploy with the DevOps methodology, you need to understand where you have to go. What is the budget of the client? Are they looking for cheaper or are they looking for better? Are they looking for all the compliances that it goes through? Some of the cloud, they give the compliance details that I go through these details. Your server will never shut down. Your server will always keep on running. Okay, so we used to go through all the documentary, all the compliance, if these things are okay. But for now, why AWS and the GCP again? Because of the DevOps. Let me show you a few things. Give me just a second. So how many people you know about the Azure DevOps? You can open up, you can speak. Do anybody know about Azure DevOps? Anybody?
It's also similar like the AWS one, like what I know, cloud platform.
AWS has a little bit different. Okay, and Azure have little bit different, but the real good things that everything it is one in Azure DevOps. So that is the reason everybody wants to come on Azure DevOps. See, if you come to the Azure DevOps, there is board. Okay, in board there is things that you can use for like tracking the task and everything, and there is Kanban board and all these things are there. Okay, so it is very easier to go with this information. Right now this is just a demo one, there is no information. I do have the company dashboard, but I cannot take it to you through there because of my again compliance. I cannot show anybody right now. Okay. So here are few things that we can go through, right? This is the Kanban board. Something like I wanted to give task to the Nirmal for UI. For example, home page. Okay, just click home page. I have assigned. I have just given the task. Here, if I wanted to assign someone, I need to go here, assign, and I can just put it Nirmal, and that's all. Nirmal will get this task to be done. Once Nirmal will be over here working on it, he will be going there and will be make it in doing. That means I will be understanding that he is working on it in because this process is in doing. Once he is done with the page of home page, he will be make it here done. So that anybody who is managing this production level, they must know that what the task going through, because there are different tasks, so many tasks going to make one app or one website. So to track each and everything, to tell client that how the process is going on. So this is very important tools, and here we can create the tasks also. All right. If you go here, there is new and the task here. You can make the task here, okay, and all information you can write it down. There are so many things need to fix it. Just for example, let me write playground code need to push, just like this. Click and save and done. Okay, so if you will check here, anyway, right now I will not go into details as I told you, because you guys will not understand what I am doing here. See, all the task is here. I have just created a task here, task playground code need to push. It is here in to do. Okay, now here it is about repos. You guys must know that there is many repository, central repository, for example, GitHub, this is GitHub, and again, GitLab, Bitbucket, so many. But it depends on your repository, where your repository is, and what the feature you want. Both have the different feature. GitHub is owned by Microsoft. Here it is repository, and again Azure is also the part of Microsoft. So this is the personal repository where you can push your code over here, and you can use it as per your need, right? This is just about repository. And then here it is about pipeline. See, pipeline. Like if you are using AWS, for AWS, you need to use Jenkins. AWS does not have something pipeline internally, so you need to create this Jenkins thing so that you can do open source. And Jenkins is very free. Okay, and then here is test plan, where you can test your code and everything if things are running well. And there it is the artifacts. Artifacts is something when you deploy any kind of code. All right, once you will deploy any repository, you can see here all the details, and then you can again deploy here to the production level. Okay, production level is not created yet, nothing is created yet. We will go through everything step by step. So this is the Azure DevOps. Okay, and why Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is booming in the market now. To do things for DevOps, it is very easier than AWS or Google Cloud Platform. And this one is cheaper than AWS. AWS engineers' salary is higher, and the Azure DevOps salary is lower. So people are switching from AWS to Azure. GCP in the market right now, it's new. GCP does not have any DevOps platform, but it has Kubernetes, and Kubernetes is the part of Google. So GCP. Kubernetes. So this one, GCP Kubernetes, if you will go through it, this one is much better than Azure and AWS. If you are using from here, from GCP, the features, the system, the API, the speed, the pricing, everything is far better than Azure and AWS in GCP, only GCP, because Kubernetes is the part of Google. So Google have made Kubernetes over the GCP, Google Cloud Platform, much better than any other one, and it is cheaper than any other one. Okay, so we will go through everyone. Even we will go through GCP. Okay, we will go through Azure and we will go through AWS also. But before that, we will go through Azure so that it will be easier for you to adopt what DevOps is. What AWS takes 6 months, Azure will take 3 months to understand and work easier and faster. Once you are going here for creating pipeline, there are many things to do here. See? Once you are done with this, if you will connect with, for example, let me just take Azure DevOps. Okay, no code is here, so it is not going to connect. Again, it is asking for this one. Okay, we will go through later on, because if I'll be doing here right now, it will take time. Here, what I wanted to make you understand in this pipeline, if your pipeline is conducted over Jenkins or any other platform, there are many platforms for pipeline. The open source is one and the paid one also. Here is the system where you can fix it, connect both in the pipeline, and you can you can start working. There is no need to write YAML file or anything over here, just connect and go. Very easier. There are so many tasks here where you can add on and you can work on it. You guys have any question till now? This is just starting. Anybody, if you have any question like till now. I understand you guys don't understand right now very well, till that you will go through it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just give you this azuredev.com, and you can just make your account and you can explore by yourself. In future, we will give you account also, okay, the access also, but not now. Okay, once we are doing something here, we will give you the access. So I just wanted to know, do you have any question about DevOps, how things working? Simply hosting means hosting a file. Yes, tell me.
So does this pipeline part works same like Jenkins stuff?
In Jenkins, you write in different language. I guess it is JSON.
Yes, sir. Yeah, the basic thing.
Yeah, but here, if you are writing code here, there is YAML, YML. If you will create here, yes, if you will create here, you can write in YAML, and YAML is very easy to understand and create any kind of file over here. It is very easier than JSON. If you will go here, YAML, so this is YAML, okay, and this the codes, the scripting language, it looks like something like this. Okay, this is just an example. This is just an example. Very easy to understand. If you have done like on JSON, it will be very easier to understand how it works. So these are the things. So YAML have made very easy to understand. Any other question you guys have? Now, who don't know anything about this platform, the cloud platform or something like DevOps platform, I will recommend you AZ900. Okay, AZ900 you can learn. AZ900 from YouTube you can learn what AZ900. Okay, and then today is Friday. Okay, so maybe on Monday we can sit and just I can give you brief about AZ900. But till that you can explore what AZ900. AZ900 have nothing that much. AZ900 it talks about um, AZ900 overview. And this is free certification, you don't need to pay. AWS, if you even want practitioner certificate, you need to pay 5,000 something. It is free. In this one, it is free. How it is free, I will take you through that way. Okay. So AZ900 will describe you what is compute, what is networking, what is storage, what is infrastructure management, what is database management, and what is software management. It will not take you to details. It will tell you about what is virtual machine. Like in AWS, there is Elastic Computer, EC2. Okay, Elastic Compute is there, but here in Azure, you will find virtual computer. In networking, again, you can find here networking. The same way the normal network use, the same way here it is, everything made on virtual things. And storage also, like for example, you have a computer, okay, computer. I'm not again going in details, okay. So let me just take this old computer. It will be easier for you to understand, like who don't know about things. So tell me, this is just one computer. What do you think in this CPU would be? What are the hardware? Anybody?
Keyboard.
Okay.
Hard drive,
Okay.
motherboard,
Okay.
graphics card,
Yes.
CPU.
Yes. That is called processor. Yes. RAM. Yes. And the hard disk, the storage. Okay. The same thing it is talking about. Compute, that is computer, where the network will be there, where the storage will be there, where the RAM will be there. Okay. Because without RAM, for example, you got a virtual computer. And how virtual computer looks like? I hope you guys know how it looks like. It looks like same as computer, but it is virtual. That means something is running. No worry, I will take you through the next time, but I'm just making you understand. For example, this is the virtual computer, and we have take the remote access. Okay. Now, if this is the virtual computer, like for example, I am a someone who is a graphic designer. Okay. Can you tell me, like, a graphic designer, what RAM needed and the processor needed and the hard disk will be needed? Can you tell anybody? Somebody who is graphic designer, what the configuration of the laptop or computer should be for them to work better, or gamer, or somebody is a software engineer who is working on database. Anything. Can you tell anybody? Just normal. See, if somebody want a physical hardware, a machine, a computer, for any heavy workload, for now there is i9 also, but minimum we can prefer i7 processor, and the RAM should minimum 16 GB, right? And the hard disk minimum 1 terabyte, right? This is the minimum storage and the RAM and the things need, so that we can work perfectly while editing video, or while writing code, or and playing with database like SQL, because SQL Studio, it is very big file size. It takes like, it consumes much RAM, it consumes much processor. Okay. So in this case, what we need to do, we used to collect the information that we needed, right? Now, why virtual computer? This is the hardware, right? If 16 GB is here, if you wanted to change, upgrade, you need to buy 32 GB or some other RAM to fix it here. And again, the hard disk will be same. If it is 1 terabyte is here, you need 2 terabytes. But in virtual computer, you don't need to do all these things. In virtual computer, you just need to click that I need 32 GB RAM, I need 2 terabytes hard disk, and I need a better processor comparison to what I was using. And it will instantly, within like few seconds, it will deploy and you can start using. So this is the very beneficial thing, like when you are using for like virtual computer. So virtual computer is very important for DevOps, and all these servers are using somewhere compute using Linux. Linux is what? Linux is operating system, same like Windows, but Linux is something, it is CLI friendly. Do you know what CLI? Do anybody know what CLI?
Command line
Command line
interface.
interface.
Command line interface. Yeah, awesome. How command line interface looks like? It looks like this one. The user interface will be not there. This is how it will looks like. And this is also, if you guys don't know, MacBook also used Linux platform. MacBook is completely over Linux. iOS, I mean, iPhone is completely on Linux. Android is completely on Linux. So Linux is open source software. Anybody can make according to their need. Okay. So this is the software. Sorry, this is the CLI. So it looks like this. Somebody have to write anything. They need to write a command to work on it. And this command is connected with API. Somebody who don't know API, don't worry about it. So once you hit the command, it goes through API and hit what you have ordered for. Okay. For example, right now where I am, if I will write pwd, see this command will tell me where your folder is. I am at the folder of users Ronnie. That means in user profile, user folder, there's one another folder called Ronnie. There I am. Okay. For example, I am working here. This is not in the root directory. Okay. Can anybody tell me how to go to root directory in Linux? Anybody?
Sudo
Yes.
CD.
Sudo what?
Su SU space icon.
See, now I am where? At the root. Root mean, I hope you understand. So there are so many software when you are installing, okay, it will not install, but it will ask the root permission. Okay. So when some software or some of the command need the root permission, you need to write sudo su. Again, I'm not going into details. I just wanted to tell you how it looks like. So this is all Linux, and here you have to work. there will be nothing like user interface. This is user interface where this mouse, the cursor can move, so where you can go to write Google something, Google, google.com, right? But here you cannot write. Here you cannot write. But here one thing you can do here. You can write ping. Do you guys know how to know IP address for someone, like some of the website? Like for example, you are hacker or security engineer, and if you wanted to spoil their website, how you can know their IP address? Do you guys know how to get it? Any idea? Anybody?
Is it IP configure command?
Sorry.
IP
Can you?
configure.
What need to type?
IP configure.
IP config. No, this is not the right one. This will tell you your DNS, your details.
Ping,
Router.
ping
Host
website
and
name.
Yeah, awesome. Somebody knows ping. So, for example, I wanted to hack Google. So, ping google.com. Google.com. You will see the IP address of Google. So this is the IP address of Google, and it is reachable, right? So now, if you really wanted to know it is Google IP address, you need to go here and search what is my IP address. Again, this was not my intention, but anyway, just I'm flowing. I should go with flow. See, I have just tracked the IP address, and the IP address is saying the internet service provider is Google. I'm sorry. Data center, everything where it is deployed. Deployed is in United States, California. So every details, every data, it is in where? California. All the data of Google. So this is the data storage, the data center for the Google. So anybody have to target, they have to find this IP address and then they can work on it. Awesome. So this is the like things I just wanted to let you know. We will not go much details in it. Okay. So now you guys have to explore AZ 900. I have already written here AZ 900. Okay. Once you will explore, you will know so many things. What multi-factor is, multi-factor authentication, and what the functionality is